Next question. As U.S. expats retired living in France, so therefore French tax residents, my spouse and I are subject to French gift tax for any cash gifts provided to non-family members. We have no kids, blah, 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 blah. So basically gifts to non-French residents. Is there a way to do that in a tax efficient way?
The French system won't consider the nationality. If you give some money to someone who is not of your family, it will be taxed under 60%. There are some small allowances, but in fact they are linked with the habit. If you earn a lot, you can give a lot. If you earn very small, you mustn't in fact put your patrimony in danger. So do what you wish, be reasonable, I would say, only that. In this question, there was a second part in the question which was very interesting, because it's, if I remember, the person was saying, I want to give to some US charities. I live in France, but I want to give to US charities. What is important to know is that you can give freely to a charity, but this charity must be declared in France. So I have had the case with an Australian case. The Australian living in France had given to the Salvation Army in Australia. Salvation Army in Australia is not a charity under the French law. So give to the Salvation Army International, and then it can be a French charity or an international charity, and so there will be no tax. But if you give to the US Salvation Army, then it is a 60% tax.
Right, which again is similar to the US. For it to be deductible in the US, it needs to be a US qualified charity. Even though it's recognized in another jurisdiction, it must be in the US. So I guess it's pretty consistent.
Please subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Our books and upcoming events are available at htj.tax. Email us at help@htj.tax to engage us, to advise on international tax or business matters.